project you will need floral wire, small pieces of tissue paper, and large pieces of tissue paper. These are about 2 inches and 4 inches. You'll need 4 pieces of the small, and you're going to go ahead and do an accordion fold, like folding a paper fan. Go ahead and set that off to the side and grab your 8 larger sheets of tissue paper. Just like before, you're going to do an accordion fold, again, just like a paper fan. It doesn't have to be perfectly straight. After all, flowers are from nature, and nature doesn't make a perfect product either. So now you have your 2 sets of accordion folded piles of paper. You're going to take your smaller piece of paper, your smaller pile of tissues, and you're going to tuck it inside the larger one, right in the middle and matching up those creases. Then take your floral wire and you're going to wrap it twice around the middle. Have the end kind of at that open end and then folded over. And when you wrap it, you're going to want to make sure that your stem ends up on the opposite side from where your small tissue papers are, so that it's going down from your flower. The next step is to separate out all those layers of tissue. You're going to start by separating the small layers of tissue. The smaller pieces are a little tricky to separate. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect, and even if there are a few little rips, that's okay. Flower petals have rips all the time. You're going for an overall effect here. I had the thought while I was doing this that it might be nice to have tweezers to pull these apart, but I managed to use my fingers just fine. After you have fluffed up the center of your flower, then you're going to move to the outer sections. And there you go. You have your paper peony, which, just like real peonies, doesn't have a scent.